Hey guys, welcome back. It's Jen, and today I'm going to show you how to make chocolate American crusting buttercream. This buttercream is so creamy and chocolatey. It's so yummy. I love it. It's addictive. It's also really great for decorating because it smooths really well and it holds its shape really well. And the very outermost layer of the buttercream, when exposed to air, crusts up. It's nothing you can taste, but it makes it dry to the touch, which makes it really hard to knick up, which is great. And just make sure you have these tools before you get started. Here's all the ingredients you're going to need. I highly recommend getting the Ghirardelli brand unsweetened cocoa powder. It's just my favorite chocolate. It's so good. So the rum really brings out the flavor of the chocolate, but if you don't want to add that, just make sure you put in a splash of milk in its place to make up for the liquid you're not adding. So first we're going to put the shortening and butter in the bowl and cream that. Make sure your butter is at room temperature. If not, you can go ahead and put that on defrost in the microwave. Then you can go ahead and add your vanilla extract and milk. And then go ahead and mix that on the lowest speed until well combined. Okay, and put your confectioner's sugar, cocoa powder, and meringue powder in a separate bowl, and then you're going to put your mixer on lowest speed and just slowly add this 1 cup at a time. And remember to scrape the bowl often. Okay, now go ahead and add your salt, and then you're going to increase the speed to medium. I use 4 because you definitely don't want to go more than medium speed, because if you do, you're going to end up with air bubbles, and that's going to make this impossible to smooth out. So just go ahead and mix it until you see that the frosting has gotten fluffier and lighter in color. So see how much that lightened up and how fluffy it is. So you can go ahead and add your splash of rum or milk here and just mix that until well combined. And then this is when I like to look at it and kind of test it out, see if it's going to smooth onto my cake well. If it seems to be too thick to you for smoothing, you can go ahead and add a little bit of milk here. If you don't think it's chocolatey enough, you can add more cocoa powder. Just make sure to add a little bit of milk to that as well, just to make sure that it's still not too thick. So you can go ahead and use this right away, or you could put it in an airtight container and leave it at room temperature for 2 days, or in the refrigerator for 2 weeks, or in the freezer up to 3 months. Just remember to bring it back to room temperature and remix it on medium until it's fluffy and light in color again. So if you're new to baking or want to learn some extra tips and tricks, you can go ahead and check out my tutorials. I also have a lot more amazing frosting and cake recipes you can check out. I also have a ton of cake decorating tutorials with adorable and beautiful cakes that range from easy to advanced. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you next time.